What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This is going to be another update on what I sold for the last month, and that is the month of September of 2021. This month was pretty good. It was pretty average. It started off okay. I sold a couple things in the first week, and then I did not sell anything all month until the last couple days, and then I sold a bunch more. So once again, it's been really weird this summer and really different. Things have been slow, so I thought I wasn't going to sell much at all. And then, like I said, at the end of the month, it did pick up and I sold a couple more things. So I did turn in a good monthly average, but I will tell you what, it has been really strange this year, and I'm hoping that I can get back to normal, selling more stuff. As you can see behind me, I got a lot of boxes piled up. All this stuff are parts that are listed on eBay right now, which has been more than I've had all summer. So I'm hoping that the more I list, the more parts I'm going to sell coming up. So I'm trying to get as many parts on eBay as I can. So I'm going to get right into it and tell you guys what I sold. Mazda 3 grill, $125 plus $150 shipping. Toyota Tundra headlight, $100 plus $25 shipping. Nissan Rogue mirror, $175 plus $15 shipping. A Subaru Legacy taillight, $90 plus $10 shipping. A Volkswagen Jetta door mirror, $150 plus $10 shipping. Toyota Camry taillight, $80 plus $20 shipping. And a Toyota Camry taillight, $80 plus $20 shipping. So those are the parts that I sold, and those 7 parts add up to $800. There was $250 paid by the buyer to ship all those parts. It cost $191 to ship them, so I did make some money on the shipping. It was $859 after the shipping fees, and then minus the eBay fees, you come out to $755 in total profit. That's a little bit lower than usual, but not much. I'm usually up around $1,000, so this is just a little bit lower. Comes out to about $107 average an item for those 7 items, so that's not bad. You know that I like to stay around $100 average an item. That way when you're selling this stuff, it actually adds up pretty quickly, so that was good. The one thing that sticks out is I sold that Mazda 3 grill to somebody in Hawaii, so I charged $150 to ship that out. I have that shipping cost saved right into my eBay for places like Hawaii and Puerto Rico, so I don't have to worry if people buy from those states and then I get really hurt on shipping, so I always have that saved. So it was $150 I charged to ship it, but it was only $84 to second day air it to Hawaii. So even though it was going out there and $84 is a lot to pay for shipping, because I charge $150, I did make money on that, so that is always nice to see. That is one of the biggest reasons I never do free shipping, because things like that come up and you will lose a lot of profits that way. All in all, it wasn't too bad of a month. Like I said, the beginning I sold a couple things, and then it was quiet for the next 3 weeks. And then in the last week, I sold a couple more things, which brought up the price. So that was good to see. Hopefully, because I have so much more stuff listed right now, then I will be able to sell some more things in the next couple months. But with the way things are going right now, I have no idea if that's going to be true or not. So we will see. If you guys have any questions or comments, of course, let me know. I will get back to you. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It helps out the channel. And I will see you next time.